Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at Learn Price Action Trading. Let's just quickly dive into what the indices are doing and are likely to do in the coming week. So on the monthly strong trend up, but we are seeing the rejections very close from 20,000. So Nifty fell shy of touching the 20,000 mark and started retracing. Now on the monthly, the next demand zone is pretty far away. That's where the monthly demand zone is. So if we start pulling down and go below, let's say 19,200, we could at least pull back towards 18,000 on a monthly basis, but that will take its own time. No supply zone, trend is strong enough. On the weekly chart, that's where we have a certain area of demand zone, but it is at an all-time high, so not very high probability. And with these kind of rejections, we could expect at least a move towards somewhere close to 19,200, 300 in the coming week or so. The next area of demand zone on weekly will be somewhere close to this. That's about 18,800. That's the nearest demand. All these demand zones come after that. So that's where if it starts turning and goes below this, we could see it coming closer to, let's say, 18,400 to 18,000 based on the weekly. The daily is an interesting picture. We have had a pro gap, and after that, we have had a follow through. We have pierced this rally base rally, and this is quite a wide congestion here at these areas. So we'll definitely come towards, let's say, 19,500, 19,400 in that range. But if we break this, then it's a very long way towards, let's say, at least 18,700, 800 is very easily possible with a big reward to risk ratio. So, and on the upper side here, this is going to be a very crucial point, 19,900. If you fail to take that off even on a daily basis, we could see markets coming down. We are very overstretched and a pullback is there, but whether the pullback happens in a zigzag way or a one-shot fall is not in our hands. On a smaller time frame, that's not a great area of demand zone, so we could easily go through this on a 75-minute chart, and I would probably look at these areas as the areas where there could be selling pressure, and you can take some new shorts or trade short-term income till we break this. Once you break this, probably 19,360, 350 is a very realistic target in the near term, and with a fall, we could move all the way towards 19,000. So slightly bearish bias, longs probably only at 19,500 to 400 levels, depending on the reward to risk ratio. But remember, we came down and broke this, and there is a good room for us to fall, and we're very overextended. So avoid soon longs and look for more confirmation to get those swing shots. A quick look at India VIX. India VIX is also holding its lows and moving up. Good potential for it to go beyond 13 to 15. So that also supports corrective move in the index. Let's take a look at what Bank Nifty has been doing. Now, Bank Nifty is a little bit more resilient as compared to Nifty. Nifty primarily because of Reliance and Infy, but here only Kotak Bank is what got sold off. ICICI Bank remains stable as such. A picture of demand here and a new demand zone on the monthly area. That's about 42,000. So we are seeing rejections from 46,200, 300 areas. Strong trend up. Still the best demand zone for positional trade. That's about 33,000 to 34,000. But right now we'll look at a range up to 42,000. On the weekly chart, again, trend up. We do have a certain area of demand here, but I will probably more be looking at the smaller time frame. A good area of demand on the weekly for long positions is all the way here. Close to 41,500 to 41,600. Smaller time frames will have this, and 43,500 remains a crucial point on the lower side. If you take a look at daily, after this compressive move, we went up. There is a picture of demand here. The next best demand zone probably as of now is somewhere close to 43,800. So this is where some swing longs can be taken, and that's where more swing longs can be taken as a fresh area of demand zone. Since we are very overextended, expect more deeper pullbacks, at least 44, 700, 800, and then 43, 900 to 44,000 based on the daily. On smaller time frames, this is more resilient. We still don't have any breach, and that's an area of demand zone. So probably that's where it will immediately come down to, where some confirmation longs up to probably 46,100 can be taken. 46,100 remains a very crucial point for Bank Nifty. If we fail to close or go beyond that, 46,100, good chance that we will come down at least to a fresh area or uh, area of demand zone from where we got this high. So that's about 44,800. Cautious approach. We are getting closer to the end of results season, especially the banking sector. We have most of the results done, except for the in the large cap SBI and Axis Bank two remaining. So range bound activity is going to happen. Be cautious about swing longs. For swing shorts, we need some more confirmation of at least on the Bank Nifty. But intraday shorts and longs both can be played along. So cautious approach, very overextended, pullback imminent. Look for more signs to go into swing shorts. And I think it will be very good if we remain stock specific because there are good opportunities in the stocks and index might not give you that swing opportunities as compared to stock. Please go to the disclaimer.